17, page number 17, exercise chapter number 2. Yesterday we have completed part A and part B, and I have given you part D in your homework. So very few students have sent me the homework. Everyone should send the homework. Okay, everyone should send the homework. I'm not telling it separately, but maximum students have made question number 1 and question number 2 correct, but so many students have made question number 3 incorrect. Okay, so I will tell you the answer, but before that we will complete part C. Okay, so now take out your copy, take out your science copy. Okay, students, no need to raise the hand right now. At the end of the class, if you have any query, you raise your hand at the end of the class. Okay, I will tell you, then you raise your hand and I will just check what query you have at the end of the class. Okay. Now open your copy, science copy. Can you see the whiteboard? Okay, so first of all, you write today's date. Okay, first of all, at the left corner top side, you write today's date on your copy. Then write science chapter 2 exercise. Okay, then see the question answer. So you write, we are doing part C, so write capital C 1. Write exactly what I'm writing. Okay, no need to write the question, you don't need to write the question. Okay, so let's see what is the question. The question is, question number 1, the question is, what is a habitat? What is a habitat? So write the living or dwelling place, the living or dwelling place of a plant or an animal is called its habitat or is known as its habitat. Everyone write on your science copy, because you will have to send me this writing to the assignment section. I will post these questions and you will have to send me this writing that you are writing in the classwork. You will have to send me in the assignment section. Okay, so everyone should write the living or dwelling place of a plant or an animal is known as its habitat. Okay, Shirin, Nayar, Anushka, Oishi, You all can lower your hand for now, because at the end of the class I will come to you. Okay, at the end of the class, not now. Now we will write the question answers, and then at the end of the class I will come to you all. Okay. I hope you all have completed writing. Now let's see the next question. What is the next question? Question number 2. What are adaptations? What are adaptations? Write the modifications. So you will write here question number 2. Write the modifications in the structure and function of an organism. In the structure and function of an organism in the structure and function of an organism to adjust the various habitats. To adjust the various habitats. Is known as, or are known as, adaptations. Are known as adaptations. Okay, students, so I'm writing these answers in the whiteboard only to confirm that all of you should write. All of you should write these answers on your copy and send it to the assignment section. Okay, I will see that you have written or not. And next day, I will call your name. Those who will not write and who will not send it, I will call their names at the in the class. Okay, so everyone should write it. Only this is why I'm not discussing it, I'm writing it so that you can see the answer and write it. Now question number 3. See, what is question number 3? Describe the plants growing in plains. Describe the plants growing in plains. So right, first of all, you will have to give a heading or headline. Okay. So give the heading like this: plants growing in plains. Okay. Then from the next line, you start writing. Write trees growing in plains have flat leaves. Trees growing in plains have flat leaves. that help water vapor to evaporate and keep the tree cool. That help the water to evaporate and keep the trees cool during hot summer days. Some trees are evergreen, but some are not. If some are not, just write up to this. As spring approaches, okay, right, they shed all their leaves at once. All their leaves at once. They means the trees that are not evergreen. Okay. Some trees are evergreen, but some are not. They shed all their leaves at once. The peepal and mulberry are trees like this. The peepal and mulberries are trees like this. Are trees like this. Are trees like this. Are trees like this. Okay. Have you all written this? So this is the question number 3. Answer. Okay, I hope all of you have written this answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. What is the next question? So I'm changing this page. What is the next question? The next question is question number 4, that is describe the plants growing in mountains. Describe the plants growing in mountains. So now write question number 4 and write plants growing in mountains or plants in mountains. So here you write plants in mountains. Like trees in the mountains are called coniferous trees. The trees in the mountains are called coniferous trees. As they are tall and have shape like that of a cone and have shape like a cone, just like right like this, and have shape like a cone. This shape helps the snow to slide off their branches. Helps the snow to slide off their branches. To slide off their branches. The mountain trees are evergreen trees. The mountain trees are, right, most of the mountain trees. Most of the mountain trees are evergreen trees. Pine, deodar, and fir are some such trees. Pine, deodar, fir. Pine, deodar, and fir are some such trees. Okay, that's it. Now you write the answer. So plants in mountains, the trees in the mountains are called coniferous trees as they are tall and have shape like a cone. This shape helps the snow to slide off their branches. Most of the mountain trees are evergreen trees. Pine, deodar, and fir are some such trees. Okay. Now let's see the next question. That is question number 5. Everyone write this answer. What is question number 5? What are floating plants? What are floating plants? You all know the answer. The plants having light and spongy air-filled stem, the plants that float on water, due to the presence of light and spongy air-filled stem and that are not fixed to the mud of the pond are called the floating plants. So write the answer. The plants that float on water by the help of light and spongy air-filled stem. Light and spongy air-filled stem and that are not fixed to the mud of the pond. Are called the floating plants. Okay. The plants that float on water by the help of their light and spongy air-filled stem. Light and spongy air-filled stem that are not fixed to the mud of the pond are called the floating plants. I'm giving you 1 minute to write this answer, students. So take your time. I'm giving you 1 minute to write this answer. Okay, let's see what is the next question. So only one question is left in this part. What are insectivorous plants? Give example. What are insectivorous plants? Give example. So I'm not writing this answer. You will write this answer. I'm giving it as your homework. Okay. So what are insectivorous plants? Give examples. This is your homework for today. Okay. So now if anyone have any problem, they can raise their hand. Okay. If anyone has any problem, they can raise their hand. I'm going back to the screen. So now students, you can raise your hand if you have any problem.